Hello, welcome to this session of Introduction to the Hebrew Bible. My name is Dr. Russell. I'm the Assistant Professor of Hebrew Bible here at Christian Theological Seminary, and I am delighted you've chosen to take this learning journey with me. For the next couple of moments, I'll provide some highlights of your syllabus and go over the general flow of the class. It is important to me that you have an idea of what to expect so that you can manage your schedules in the coming weeks. This course will move quickly, and while I understand life happens sometimes, I want you to avoid turning any work in late. You should already have access to the Bird, Brenner, and Collins books and an NRSV Bible. I will upload any additional readings to Populi. Your syllabus can be found on Populi now. You'll find my contact information on the first page of this document. If you need to contact me, email me. I realize there may be some time differences between some of us, so my commitment is to do my best to respond to your emails within 24 hours during the work week. The activities and requirements for this course have been designed to help you achieve the stated student learning goals. For example, your quizzes connect to the first student learning goal. The podcasts, discussion boards, and weekly journals are particularly important for the second and third student learning goals, which have to do with integrating the readings for the course and your critical reflection upon the work of biblical interpretation. Your discussion board participation connects to the fourth student learning goal. And finally, the website final project assignment will provide you with the opportunity to create a ministry tool and demonstrate your summative learning. This activity aligns with the fifth learning goal. On pages 2 and 3 of your syllabus, you will find information about the different components of the course and how each assignment contributes to your final grade. As an example, the website final project is worth 40% of your final grade. The handouts for this and the other assignments are available in the General Resources module in Populi. Please note, you will submit your weekly journal entries, participate in discussion boards, and complete your quizzes, all in Populi. You'll also share the link to your website in Populi. You will not email these assignments directly to me. You'll see where to upload them on the Populi site. On page 3 of your syllabus, I have provided a suggestion for how you might want to pulse your time for this course. Consider using the recommended student course rhythm weekly outline as a guide to maximize your learning and manage your time. Page 7 of your syllabus contains a bibliography of the readings for the class. If the designated readings are not in Bird, Brenner, or Collins, I have uploaded them to Populi. The bibliography provides the citation information for the readings should you want to explore them further. Now, a word about your course schedule. Beginning on page 9 of your syllabus, your course schedule outlines the activities and expectations for each week. I've worked to create a rhythm for the class that is both consistent and challenging. This course requires you to stretch a bit in your reading and reflection, but I believe this work is manageable. Importantly, as an adult learner, I expect you to manage your time knowing you will have a chapter or two of reading and at least 2 responsibilities that require asynchronous class engagement via Populi each week. By asynchronous, I mean not existing or happening at the same time. We'll meet in discussion board forums and such each week. However, we will not meet at the same designated time. Each week, you will engage in at least 2 ways. First, you'll submit your weekly journal entry about your experiences for the week. Most often, these entries will be open-ended in that you will write about whatever is on your mind. Some weeks, however, I will provide a prompt question for your journaling. You'll want to pay close attention to know which type of entry I expect for the week. Your journal entries are due Friday of each week. Importantly, the journal entries will only be seen by me. These are not public or peer-reviewed. Other students do not have access to other students' weekly journals. Secondly, after viewing or listening to a podcast and reading some combination of your Bible, you always want to read your Bible, Brenner, Bird, and Collins, you will discuss the material as a class on Populi. The discussion board group engagement is designed to stimulate the type of interaction you might expect in a seminary seminar course. The requirement for this assignment is that each student upload their initial response to the prompt by Tuesday, and then respond to at least one of their colleagues by that Thursday. These responses will serve as a type of back and forth you would experience were we sitting around a table discussing the readings live. As the instructor, I should see you participating in the discussion at least 2 times, your initial post and responses to at least one of your classmates. I or my teaching assistant for the course, Miss Leanna Campos, will be monitoring this thread and checking in. Finally, your website final project is a peer-reviewed assignment designed to give you the opportunity to create a contextually relevant ministry tool that highlights all you know about the Hebrew Bible. You will use the free Google Sites application and build your site over the course of the class. For example, you will update your site with information about the Torah after you have completed the course module on Torah. Some combination of Leanna and I will provide feedback on each section, page, or tab of your website. You will then update your site with information about the prophets after you've completed the module on the prophets, and you will have an entire week to finalize your site before you share it with your classmates for their assessment. Each of you will submit a site and provide a review of each of your classmates' sites. A handout about this project and the peer review assessment form are on Populi. Well, I guess that about covers it. You can expect to receive messages and check-in communication from me throughout the course regarding your assignments. Know that this welcome video is not the last you will hear from me. I look forward to gathering for our first synchronous meeting at the end of August. Please anticipate a Zoom invitation for this class session. Again, welcome to the introduction of the Hebrew Bible.